Well, big changes are coming to the Governor's Square Mall in Clarksville for the first time since it opened.
The Clarksville Mall is getting a multi-million-dollar facelift.
We're kicking off big plans for the place.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Governor's Square Mall.
There's going to be a transformation, and it's to continue to update, upgrade, and to make this mall special for you, for the community.
This mall will get upgrades to storefronts, signs, floors, and so much more.
In ceremonial tribute, give it a whack.